Hello everyone and welcome to Hello from Finland. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that is very very important to me, and I guess it might be very important to you too. Has the age of stupidity dawned on humanity? Is today's world the realm of stupidity? I don't think so. And let me explain to you why I don't think so. Have you ever looked around on a bus, a subway, or in a cafe and noticed how many people are staring at their smartphones? Quite many, right? They might watch Instagram or YouTube, Facebook posts, read text messages or news. So often people say it's the sign of stupidity that people stopped reading books and scroll through social media instead. But is it really so? Is it true? I disagree. Let me explain why. Even before smartphones existed, did many people actually read books? I don't think so. Many people didn't read much of anything at all. So now, if people read something on their smartphones, I think it's better than not reading anything at all. So I don't think that smartphones and social media are making us more stupid than we are. But something else is. In today's world, ideas like political correctness and tolerance are everywhere. In their healthy form, they are very good things. They promote fairness and kindness and equality. But when they become exaggerated, inflated beyond reason, they can start doing the opposite. Let me give you a few examples. Let's imagine a situation. A company's chief executive officer and head of human resources are discussing candidates for a job vacancy. So they say, let's give this candidate a chance. And the person in question, their qualifications, competence, and capabilities are below that of other candidates. So what are they doing? Is it an act of kindness, fairness, compassion? Or is it just promotion of mediocrity? Those guys think that they're doing the right thing. But is it really so? Let's move to school. Here in Finland, many teachers are trying to avoid giving students low grades, even to students who are not willing to study, who don't care to study. I'm not talking about students with disabilities. We have special programs for them. We have special classes designed specifically for them. And I find it very humane and very right. I'm talking about just ordinary students who just refuse to study and yet get passing grades in the name of tolerance. Is that right? What is it if not the promotion of mediocrity or stupidity? And what about the justice system? Imagine a young man who committed a series of robberies, burglaries, assaults, and yet he gets a very soft verdict from the court, like probably a probation or early parole. And later the same person kills someone. Who is to blame? Just this person or the court who gave him a soft verdict in the name of tolerance? It's a good question. What do you think about it? So, just to summarize mentioned above, what is happening to our world today? Are we really living in the age of stupidity, or is it the age of confusion? The age where we confuse values like fairness and justice with compassion and tolerance. They are not the same things, you know. And I really care to know what you guys think about it all, about what I'm saying in this video. Please write your comments under this video, express your opinions, tell me what you think, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you here again, and hello from Finland. And have a nice day. Bye bye.